What if your stable footage has been embarrassingly shaky this whole time? Asterisk. In this video, we listed the 4 best smartphone gimbals, stabilization, battery life, and real vlogging scenarios, with brutal results. $189 gimbal outperformed $300 models, while a fan favorite failed basic walking tests. Skip the regret, links below. Let's expose the truth. Number 1. Hohem iSteady V3. Hohem iSteady V3 is an intelligent smartphone gimbal revolutionizing mobile photography and videography. With its standalone magnetic AI tracker, it achieves seamless face tracking with simple gestures, freeing you from manual operation. 300G/0.66 lbs max payload, with a built-in extension rod and tripod, along with an innovative detachable remote control, iSteady V3 frees up your hands, allowing you to capture stunning videos anytime, anywhere. Tracking smartphone gimbal. Hohem iSteady V3 equipped with a magnetic AI tracker sensor, it works with all conferencing, live streaming and shooting apps. No app limitation and no need Bluetooth connectivity. Detached and reversible design makes the AI tracker can be mounted with front or rear camera. The cutting-edge tracking technology ensures human subjects remain consistently framed and sharply focused, boasting unparalleled accuracy and adaptability in tracking. Number 2. ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI. With the same orthogonal 3-axis structure as pro camera stabilizers and advanced stabilization algorithm, the ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI stabilizer brings unparalleled stability and smoothness to your everyday mobile creation. Make every moment shine. Smooth 5S AI gimbal features a built-in high power. You can easily adjust the brightness directly from the stabilizer. Take full control of your lighting setup without the need for additional equipment or complicated setups. The magnetic fill light can be purchased separately. Effortless control at your fingertips. Easily navigate menus and adjust settings with the intuitive full keyboard control panel. No more complex on-screen menus, simply press the keys for quick and effortless adjustments, enabling you to focus on capturing that perfect shot. Number 3. DJI RS 4 Pro. Camera gimbal stabilizer. Just release the horizontal plate and secure it into the vertical position for an effortless switch to vertical social content. 4.5 kilograms, 10 pounds, payload capacity, 20% increase in motor torque, equipped with carbon fiber axis arms and an increase in capacity and torque. DJI RS 4 Pro easily accommodates mainstream mirrorless/cinema camera and lens setups. Remote dual focus and zoom motor control. With the new joystick mode switch, cinematographers can conveniently go between controlling DJI gimbal movement or lens zoom with precise joystick control. Number 4. Hohem iSteady M6 Kit. With an AI vision sensor, you can switch between the front and rear cameras to achieve flexible follow you. With magnetic fill light, you can use different lighting for your shooting: cold light, warm light, and RGB light. Color temperature, 2700K to 6500K. Tracking in all mobile apps. Full camera control for social media video creation. iSteady 7.0 stabilization and wide compatibility. iSteady M6 gimbal integrates the iSteady 7.0 stabilization algorithms, helping you to capture on-the-move and shake-free creations that wow. No matter if you are walking or running, you can always film with flawless stabilization and create smooth footage. The payload is up to 400G, which makes the gimbal work with most smartphones. So, which gimbal earned your trust? Debate in the comments. If this saved your next video, smash that like button, share with your creator squad, and subscribe. We're testing 2025's secret mic next. All links are below. Your cinematic future starts now.